Today I'm making some really simple air fryer corn on the cobs. These are so delicious. I love making them this way. There's absolutely no need to be boiling them. They taste amazing and they're really buttery, sweet and delicious.
To make my perfect corn on the cobs in the air fryer, I start off by melting some butter. Well, almost melted. Anyway, there's a tablespoon in here of butter. Let's just give that a little mix. That should just dissolve into there nicely. Lovely. And this is to coat the corn on the cob before they go in the air fryer. To that, I want some extra virgin olive oil, and we want around a tablespoon of that as well. And I know this makes it unhealthy, but it does to make it taste absolutely delicious. But the other reason for doing this is it's going to really give a beautiful colour to that corn on the cob, and also it stops it from drying out in the air fryer. So it's pretty important that you do this step. Let's season that butter really well, because that is going to be going all over those little corn on the cobs. I love loads of black pepper, but obviously it's entirely up to you how much you add. Now, all we need to do is get the corn on the cobs in this gorgeous butter and oil and just give those a toss around. Not that easy to get them coated, but if you're just patient, they will get that all on the outside of them. There's really no need to put your corn on the cobs into foil. If you've got them dressed nicely, as I said, they're not going to dry out too much. And I actually like that little bit of colour that you get on the outside. I think it's really nice. So they look good. They are well seasoned now. Let's get them in the air fryer. So tip them in, scrape your bowl. If you've got any excess there, just drizzle that over. We don't want to waste one single bit of this. And let's get the lid down and let's get them cooked. Over to air fry, and I turn the temperature down to 190 is what I normally do on these. And I tend to do them for around 16 minutes. I keep an eye on them. If they need a little longer or they need a little bit less, then we can do that and I can let you know. But generally, 16 minutes on 190 does the job. You're going to want to give them a little turn part way through cooking, just so we get a nice even colour on these corns. I'm halfway now and we're getting a good amount of colour on there and they're looking quite juicy and delicious. But what I do now is I just turn the heat down slightly to 170 and then carry on. Here we go. There are my lovely buttered corn on the cobs. Absolutely delicious. I actually love all of these little crispy bits that you get around the edges, but the actual corn in the center itself is so juicy and so sweet and delicious. I hope you enjoy this really quick air fryer recipe. Give it a go and let me know what you think.